Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis.
Is the man in form?
Maybe that's why he hasn't used that reverse down the line shot that is.
Oh! Here it comes.
The fact that he gets a lot of.
Viele Fehler und diesen extrem offensiv gespielten Topspin. Aber jetzt wieder da, zieht er durch, was geht. Zhang Jike einfach beim Blocken. Jetzt dagegen Topspin. Was für ein Ball! Oh! Ich gewartet, bis ihr mit eurer Analyse fertig wart. Das ist natürlich das Angenehme. No.
你看你的这个狂轰乱炸下，他一定要首先要防得住。你看这几本挑打，
漂亮。
We saw yesterday also with Xuksin, once he started with forehand, really was no way to stop him.
Oh, grip it with the backhand as we saw there, and then switch it down the line.
We see in slow-mo decides to play this ball in deep forehand. Non mistakes, quite some spin, more spin than you expect. And you see speciality of Zhang Jike, very strong backhand flip followed by forehand. And you see again from a little bit middle coming with backhand there, and then we have the forehand.
One love.
Oh, very nice. You see, you were right what you mentioned before. See a little bit slower topspin.
Waiting there the next game on. What a point! What a point! Jike to serve.
Usha!
What a rally. Superb play by both players.
Outstanding. Oh, clever play out to the floor.